Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Stuti Parde and today I welcome you all and I'm very happy to see you stop by. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share my channel and subscribe to get notifications for further transformational content on my channel. Today I bring to you a very important topic, a topic on emotions. Emotions are electric. Emotions are important and they are everything, as said by TonyRobbins. And today I would like to bring this topic to help you transform your life, as emotions are the electric tapestry and everything illuminates from your own experience. So, emotions are the unseen threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. They surge within us like currents of electricity. They shape our perceptions, actions and connections. From the jubilant heights of elation to the depths of sorrow, emotions are the vibrant hues that paint the canvas of our existence. At their core, emotions are visceral and undeniable. They possess an undeniable power, coursing through us with an intensity that can rival the strongest currents. They spark within us, igniting a symphony of sensations that color every moment we encounter. Consider the fervor of joy, a jubilant emotion that lifts us to celestial heights. It's the surge of euphoria when we accomplish a long-desired goal, the warmth that radiates when we are surrounded by loved ones, or the sheer delight of witnessing a beautiful sunset. Joy, like a charged current, electrifies our spirit, infusing life with an effervescent glow. Conversely, emotions can mirror tempestuous storms, plunging us into the depths of despair, the melancholic ache of grief, the heaviness of heartbreak, or the sting of disappointment. They all serve as poignant reminders of the intricate nature of our emotional landscape. They engulf us in their intensity, evoking sensations that are both piercing and profound. Yet, it's this kaleidoscope of emotions that renders life so profoundly rich. Emotions aren't isolated occurrences, but rather a complex symphony, each note playing its part in composing the melody of our experiences. They provide depth to our interactions, color to our memories, and nuance to our understanding of the world. Our decisions, too, are often guided by the electric charge of emotions. They influence the path we choose, the connections we make, and the goals we pursue. Emotions act as compass points, guiding us through the labyrinth of choices, helping us discern what resonates most deeply with our inner selves. Understanding the language of emotions is akin to deciphering a multifaceted code. It involves embracing the raw authenticity of each sentiment while also navigating the complexities that arise from their interplay. It requires introspection, empathy, and a willingness to embrace vulnerability. In harnessing the power of emotions, we unlock a gateway to self-discovery and connection. They offer a mirror through which we can explore our innermost desires, fears, and aspirations. Moreover, they form the bedrock of a connection with others, fostering empathy and compassion as we recognize shared emotional landscapes. To navigate this intricate terrain, cultivating emotional intelligence becomes paramount. It involves recognizing, understanding, and managing our emotions while also empathizing with the emotions of those around us. It's the art of fostering resilience, nurturing healthy relationships, and making conscious choices that align with our emotional authenticity. In essence, emotions are the lifeblood of the human experience. They infuse our world with passion, depth, and meaning. Like the electrifying current that powers a city, emotions drive the pulse of our existence, lighting up the path we tread and illuminating the connections that bind us. In this tapestry of life, emotions aren't just fleeting sparks, they are the vibrant threads that intertwine, creating a masterpiece that is uniquely ours. In the spiritual context, emotions are often seen as a conduit through which individuals can connect with the divine. The Holy Spirit is believed to work within the hearts and minds of believers, prompting feelings of comfort, assurance, peace, and joy. It's thought to inspire positive emotions and guide individuals in their faith journey. The Holy Spirit is often seen as intimately connected to emotions, guiding believers toward a deeper understanding of God and fostering a spiritual life marked by virtues and emotional experiences that align with the teachings of Christ. In conclusion, emotions are indeed a powerful force that shapes our experiences and interactions in profound ways. Utilizing this emotional energy positively can certainly contribute to living a fulfilling life in alignment with one's beliefs and values. Your engagement and support are greatly appreciated. If you found this content valuable, hit the like button, share and subscribe. This can help spread this message further. Thank you for your time, and until next time, may your journey be guided by positivity, purpose and the richness of emotions.